Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Fanvue. To get started, open your browser and go to fanvue.com. You might see a pop-up inviting you to start your creator journey, but for now, click on the Sign Up button at the top of the page. You can sign up with your Google account, Twitter account, or by entering your email and a password. Once you sign in, you'll be taken to the Fanvue homepage. If you want to look for creators, click on the Discover tab. Here, you can search by name or username, or you can follow links creators share on Instagram, TikTok, or X. When you open a creator's page, you will see their subscription options such as 1 month, 3 months, or 6 months. Choose the one you want, click Join, and then add your payment method. You can use a credit card or Google Pay. After confirming your details, your payment method will be saved and the subscription will be activated. On the left side of the screen, you can open your profile settings. Here, you can change your display name, update your handle, write a short bio, and upload a profile picture. You can also check your wallet, payment methods, and manage any subscriptions you have. If you want to become a creator, click on the Become a Creator button on the homepage. Choose your country, select what type of content you make, choose a category, create a handle, and set your subscription price. After that, you will need to verify your identity on your mobile device by scanning the QR code shown on the screen. Once your identity is confirmed, your creator account will be ready. Thanks for watching.